Hello guys and girls, welcome back to Forex Corp House. Today, let us see the proper way that you need to be doing when you do your analysis on volatilities, particularly Volatility 25 index for today's video. The demonstration will be as simple as I can make it to be. I hope that you'll both enjoy and learn a lot from today's trading analysis that I am about to show you. Guys and girls, as said earlier, the pair is Volatility 25 index. So before deciding anything in any particular pair, it is a must that you first know the overall trend of that pair. And if you notice that the pair is on an uptrend, what do? Simple, you look for buy setups. When it is on a downtrend, you look for sell setups, and that's it. Now, since the Volatility 25 index pair is on a downtrend, it becomes only natural that I too look for sell setups. By looking closely at my charts now, I noticed the market price is on a retest to the previous broken level. And as we know is that the market more often than not has to retest to the broken level before going to its initial direction. As the market rarely moves in a straight line, we know that the market constantly moves in series of higher highs, higher lows, or low lows and low highs. Having made that clear to you, let me zoom into the 1 hour time frame to decide where my stop loss has to be placed before I execute my trades. Now what's next is you have to see the result of this analysis, how it will turn out to be. But before I do that, please be aware that I do offer a monthly signal service and a mentorship program as well. If you'll be interested, please do check the description below for more details.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Guys and girls, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have learned a lot from it. If you're new to this channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button already, then please do take this time to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye.